Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to cancel Robinhood Gold. First of all, open the Robinhood app on your device, then log in your account. Before you continue, there's one important thing to keep in mind. If your account has margin enabled or any instant deposits pending, you won't be able to downgrade Robinhood Gold. To begin, go to the main screen and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will open your account page. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen, the one that looks like three horizontal lines. From the menu, locate and select Robinhood Gold, which appears near the center of the page. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Downgrade from Gold, and tap on it. Robinhood will notify you that you still have remaining days on your Gold subscription, but you can choose to downgrade immediately. Keep in mind that doing so will remove access to Gold features. After reviewing this information, confirm by tapping Downgrade from Gold. The downgrade request will be processed, and your Robinhood Gold subscription will be successfully canceled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.